Hey guys, this is Painkillers Paintball, and I just wanted to do a little tip for your reballs. For your reballs, they usually get dried out, and just to help that out, I just use some marker oil, make it run through your hopper a lot better. Just put a couple drops in there, shake it up, take it out. Just pour them out. I would suggest like mixing them up a little bit, mixing the oiled ones up with the dry ones. So after you mix them up for a little bit, just put a little bit more. Can never have enough oil on them. Shut it. Now, here I'll do a drop test for the die rotor. Orange Tiger, 2012. Just got it for Christmas. For the Reeballs. So, this is... Usually I have to put it through a couple times for the Reeballs to get oiled up a little bit, so I just keep doing it. And that's it, guys. So it's Painkillers Paintball, and that was the drop test and tip for Reeballs. So that's it, guys.